Welcome to the 16th lesson of the Positive Psychotherapy Introductory course about the research studies and publications. The first publications in the area of positive psychotherapy date back to 1974. Since then, this method has been presented in numerous books, scientific works, and other publications. PPT fulfills the four principles postulated by Graw for the effectiveness of psychotherapy: activation of resources, actualization, management of problems, and therapeutic clarification. According to Graw's model, positive psychotherapy is a classical, integrative form of therapy. Substantiating this idea was the purpose of a wide-ranging effectiveness study that was carried out between 1994 and 1997 under controlled conditions. 32 members of the German Association for Positive Psychotherapy undertook the study of effectiveness and quality assurance of positive psychotherapy under the leadership of Nossrat Peseschkian, Karen Tritt, and Birgit Werner. This study was the first of its kind. It investigated the effectiveness of PPT under the conditions of daily clinical practice and compared recipients to a control group of patients with somatic illnesses who were on a waiting list for therapy. The patients who were treated with positive psychotherapy showed a clear reduction in symptoms and an improvement in their emotions and behavior. The calculated mean effect size of the study is a good indication of the positive effects of the treatment when performed under controlled conditions as presented in this study. The stability of the effect of the therapy can be seen through the comparison between the catamnestic and post-study measurements, which indicate no significant difference. In 1997, this computer-aided quality assurance study of PPT was awarded the Richard Merton Prize, which is one of the best-endowed prizes in the healthcare sector in Europe and recognizes outstanding work and an important contribution to medical, social, sociopolitical, or economic progress in the healthcare sector. The basis for the multifaceted applicability and the cultural compatibility of PPT consists of the many colleagues who are stimulated and encouraged to undertake scientific work. Additionally, after coming into contact with positive psychotherapy, many practitioners, no longer encumbered by the limitations and requirements of school, find their interest in publishing revived. Publications on positive psychotherapy consist of the wide-ranging source material written by its founder, Nossrat Peseschkian, and of the work of his students. These scholarly publications have been joined by works of popular science that have appeared in diverse periodicals. Due to the growing popularity of the method, as well as books developed by the second and third generation of PPT practitioners and researchers, the publishing house, VAT Press, has been founded. Starting with the founding of the German Journal of Positive Psychotherapy in 1977, colleagues in PPT have been encouraged to publish the results of their research and share their cases. Additionally, as new national associations for positive psychotherapy have been formed in various countries during the last 20 years, journals of PPT have been founded in Ukraine, Bulgaria, Russia, and Romania. Today, the Global Psychotherapist, an interdisciplinary digital journal, is successfully published. This peer-reviewed journal publishes articles twice a year on experiences with and the application of the humanistic psychodynamic method of positive and transcultural psychotherapy. The journal is highly indexed in numerous scientific databases and supports an open access policy based on the principle of freely distributing scientific information. Publication in the journal is free of charge. This was the 16th lesson about the research studies and publications on positive psychotherapy. Learn more about the tools of positive psychotherapy in our previous videos. Like this video and subscribe to our channel.